Did they remove piercing beak?
Yes.
Oh no, they just
no.
gave it sneaky instead of fucking and move piercing beak closer and remove sharp teeth entirely. There is no exhausting bite.
The new calls, oh my god.
Aw, the two. The two calls so cute. One and two are instantly my favorites.
Tyler, teleport to me. I need to take a selfie.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the new AP is also added, by the way, guys. It's completely different.
It looks the same.
Oh, there's a lot of things that are...
It looks exactly the same.
You need to fly more.
Oh my god, the shift makes it look so weird and flappy. Oh, it actually makes a flapping noise now.
Mm-hmm.
Come here.
Where'd you go?
If I can't get into Daisy, I'm gonna join them on BoB. I'm gonna completely reset Steam though. See if that fucking works.
It turns a lot faster now. Jesus Christ. It literally turns on a dime. Oh, Swamp looks entirely different.
Mm-hmm. I think they did like a little bit of a map overhaul too.
If this thing flies so much nicer now.
I like how they have grounded turn rate increase. Yes.
We should all invite each other to groups.
Invite him.
Yeah, I got you.
Bro, it runs so much faster now on land. It's actually a viable land build.
Oh, two in here. Ability pool and flying. Strong legs. Did you take a screenshot?
Yeah.
I can't. I'm gonna say this first though. I'm gonna miss the old Ptera. It was.
I
It
will.
was a piece of shit.
Yeah, I
It was,
will
but
and
it
I
was-
won't.
It was fun for a while. You gotta admit, it was my first dinosaur, so I loved it.
My first dino was Mega. It went poorly.
Same. And then
It went so bad.
My first dino was Ptera. And
My first was Chrono.
I was a Mega, and then a Moza jumped up and ate me, and then I was like, I'm gonna be a Moza! And then I got beached and died.
I'm gonna restart my computer. Be back in a minute.
Okay. Up and away!
So is your account named Jin?
No, that's Jin.
That's Jen.
Completely different person.
She's muted, he's talking to Jin. Oh, never mind. She responded though.
I actually thought Jin was Vendi for a second, to be honest.
Yeah, it's completely different people.
Wait, that's the.
She's
that's
in the voice chat too, you silly goof.
Not the glimmer skin then. What skin is that then? What skin is that, Jin? Oh yeah. Why'd you make the caustic look so loser like?
Dino, go kill yourself. Jen, ignore
It does look a
95%
lot
of
like a seagull.
Ignore 95%.
Oh, bro, the red caustic on lion, it looks better. You gotta admit. Don't you bite at me, you slut.
I like how you upgraded from when I told you 90% to now 95%.
Oh my god, the flowers are gigantic. No, I didn't call you ugly. I called you a slut.
Like,
He
that's
calls
better.
everyone a slut. Oh, that's okay.
It was a compliment. Trust me. Oh, you actually hurt me.
Alright, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Let's see if I fixed things on Steam.
You made my mother yell at me. I hope you're happy.
That was Jin, but like your mom version.
Gin, I hope you drink gin and die.
Why would gin kill you? It's delicious.
I used to be able to do
look
dog
so
eyes, but not new. Oh my god, it looks. I fucking love the new Ptera. To be honest, I might main it. I might main it for him.
You're not the only one who will.
I'm getting my drink on.
Oh, I like how they. Oh, the air brake literally just makes you drop.
Mhm.
Okay.
Oh my
Here you
god,
go,
we're
motherfucker.
so cute.
Look how cool I look though.
You look like a fucking.
I like
Don't
how we
bite
both
me.
each other.
Wow, I just went to half health.
Okay.
Okay, wait. I want to check the skins because this is the one from testers. Gonna see they added. Put my beak up in the air.
Jin, this is perfect. We are a Hydra. Together. Wonder Twin powers activate. Together, form of a bucket. I like how we literally just look like rats. Like our body shape. Like if you look at our body, not counting our wings, we look like rats. Like hunchback rats. I'm not gonna lie, if they can make the Ptera look so dope, I'm stoked for when they add fucking Quetzal.
It's gonna look retarded. Just kidding.
How big is 1.0 on these bats?
I don't know. I'll be testing that.
Alright. I guess I'm playing BoB now.
You should definitely check out the new Ptera. It's worth it.
Oh yeah.
Vindy, aren't you a tester?
Yeah.
Can you give us the inside scoop on what's coming next?
Packy and Oryx.
Oh, my
Ori,
boner. Oh, my boner.
Oh god.
Oh, I gotta go
That
masturbate.
months ago. How do you not know that?
Yeah, but is it coming in like the next update?
Oh, I don't know about the next. Oh, Molted looks adorable.
Oh, you actually fall if you don't press space. Now is there like a set height? There's what set growth you have to be before you can fly now or something?
I don't know. I don't know about that. I don't think so.
That'd be cool if there was though. Like you have to actually fully develop your wings first before you can fly. Before you can become a professional flap. Son, the
Can
danger-
you guys edit Molted? Cause I can't.
Yeah, I can edit molted.
Weird.
I can edit the fuck out of it.
Yeah, I
can't
noticed a
edit
few of them were touchy. Like they wouldn't let me edit any of them, and then when I backed off and like moved around a bit, it let me edit them again. I don't know.
Oh,
Holy
yeah.
shit, look at Sunrun.
Yeah, that's the one I'm using right now.
The normal Sunrun looks dope. Cracked Aurora looks meh. Zero looks really meh. I like Sunrun.
Zero is like a Japanese zero, my guy. It's dope.
I like the normal Sunrun and then the caustic.
I love Sunrun.
I just like the caustic because it looks like reggae colors.
There's a server named Very Berry Beast. What the
Yeah.
fuck? Oh my god. That's hilarious.
Did they fix the dupe glitch for like glitching out and getting infinite triples and stuff?
I'm pretty sure they did, yeah.
Considering I'm watching Jin eat infinitely, no, they did not.
Oh. Jin's a tester too, but I don't know.
Jin, you're a
I'm
tester.
not
You
in
test
full.
testicles.
Ooh. Already like it.
How does one become a tester?
Just yeah, you just
Bro,
apply.
you're too much of a bitch to be a tester. I'm sorry.
I'm a tester too.
Oh damn, some of the skins are not usable anymore.
Yeah.
So delete all of my skins. Except for that
Those
super
don't really
rainbow
look
skin.
Not gonna lie. It looks like me.
I do like my super rainbow. So I'm
Try
gonna
the
keep...
caustic. It looks dope as fuck.
Yeah.
I like the new drinking animation though. Is that you? What fucking growth are you?
I'm Mothra.
What growth are you at?
I just put it to 2. I wanted to see how big they were.
Here, land. Let me size compare.
Oh, okay.
Jesus Christ! Look up so your beak's not in the ground. Holy shit! That looks dope as fuck. Minus the skin. The skin looks ugly as shit.
Wow.
We have a 4 and 5 problem.
Mm-hmm.
You gotta admit, flying these things is so much easier now. Like, you can get super close to the ground without landing and taking crash damage.
I like how their wings flap down. Nice.
Now, if only, did they add more fish to this map?
Let's find out.
And does 2call still work to call fish?
I think it automatically highlights them now. At least it did that with us when we were playing these.
Oh, you sent fish?
Yeah, that's your 2 call, my guy. Highlight them.
No, you sent to get fish now, apparently.
Oh.
Oh yeah, I see. Yep.
I smell no fish, though.
There's fish. Yeah, there's plenty of fish.
Where?
I just swam out to the middle lake.
Oh, there they are. Oh, that's cool as fuck. Holy shit, our swimming animation is stupid now. You look
Stupid
retarded.
isn't cool. Oh.
Better than paper airplane gliding. It was, yeah, it's true. Hey, we get decent amounts of food from fish now. That's dope. I kind of hate how it instantly kills all of your speed, though.
Pretty sure you can get a talent for that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you get Aqua Affinity.
And we can hold our breaths a lot longer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Probably realized it was fucked for Pteras in water.
I wonder how we look like fat now. But I like how our heads just go super low down, like we're fucking stalking something. Like we can look straight down. Yeah, I'm gonna see how good the damage Ptera is after they nerfed it. Excellent, let me test my damage on you. You got 3 out of 3 piercing beak.
Hold on one sec. I'm messing with my skin. Eh, 53 right there.
That's yikes. Wait, do we not take crash damage anymore?
They do, but they fixed it. It's not as fuck detrimental. You could also get some stuff to reduce it.
Does piercing beak affect land speed?
I don't know.
Because that's base damage right there. Hey look, another random Ptera. That's a lot better than it was before, where we could do 500 at 0.6.
Mm-hmm.
That's much better. And that's at least enough to fight off, like, you know, do something to smaller megalos and something to, and at least fight off belos.
Right.
That's about all we need. Because we don't need Pteranodons that do 1,000,000 damage. Because that's literally the only thing that stopped us from making the server at 3.0 on Sunset. Just because we tested it at 3.0, if you have 4 out of 3 in damage, or 4 out of 3 in piercing beak, and 5 out of 3 in sharp teeth, you can do 4,000 damage at max speed.
Damn.
And that's enough. That's enough to one-shot anything else at 3.0, other than a Pato and Rex. That's a 2-shot for a Rex at 3.0.
You get morbidly obese when you get fat.
What, the Pteras?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta see this.
I am wide as fuck right now.
I gotta see this. So you guys opened up a Freaks and Geeks semi-realism server or something?
Yeah, so.
I might join it.
Working on it.
If it gets...
The reason I didn't play BoB is because I was, you know, waiting for this patch.
Yeah, I wasn't trying to burn out before it came out.
Yeah, that's why I only played Ichthy on Sunset, because no one played it, and I was like, wait.
Did they change all the dinosaurs?
Yeah, if you check the announcements, you can check what they have
Yeah,
changed.
they did a complete overhaul.
So all the dinosaurs look different now?
It looks, they said, yeah, they did graphical updates on all the models.
Texture scales, so the scales are more defined and stuff. The furry Rex actually looks like a...
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, yes.
Here, I'm gonna respawn and check this out.
Yeah, go for it. I'm testing things out.
A Pato looks the same. Para looks a lot better when it's smaller.
Yeah, they said
Holy
they updated
shit,
a lot of
that
shit on Para.
Lurd looks a lot better too when it's smaller. What's Mosa look like? Mosa looks about the same.
It has better scales.
Its fins are a lot less thick when it's small. Elasmo looks nice. Chrono looks amazing now. It's so fucking high res.
That's good.
Bro. Its teeth are fixed, cowboy.
Lol.
Its teeth are fixed. They don't look like they're modeled after clay now. What's Velo look like? Velo looks the same, but fuzzy.
Yeah, the view probably looks better.
Acro looks the same, but a lot less thick in the neck. Oh my god, Ixie looks beautiful.
Does it?
Bro, the venomous skin looks so dope now.
Yeah, they redid that today.
I mean, it completely fucked my purple version of it, but okay. And the little notch in its back looks twice as ugly.
Did you notice your comfort? Your comfort
Oh,
circle?
Megalo looks like a fucking
Yeah,
yeah.
I noticed the border they put around it, yeah.
Megalo looks disgusting. Normal Rex looks dope. Oh my god, the furry version does look furry. Bro, that's dope.
Bro, the Chrono's teeth are still 100% the same. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
No, they are not. Fuck.
They're 100% still the same.
No, they are not. You're wrong. I'm gonna make a reggae caustic skin. Because it's already got the,
Reggae.
yeah, reggae. Because it's already got the red and yellow. I'm just gonna put the green on. Boom. Reggae caustic skin is done. Re-invite me.
Are you back as a Pteranodon?
Yep. Did they add an extra border to the health pool as well?
Mm-hmm.
That's for comfort.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If it's 100% shelter, yeah, what Jen said.
Oh, that's cool.
Thing. I still have one that's bright and rainbow as fuck. So I can have an. Oh my god, this is gonna be my favorite skin, I can tell already.
I currently am wearing a Death Ptera skin. Yay!
A mama bird.
Oh my god.
Can you invite me?
For whatever reason, my red fucking Moza skin is fucked now, so the whole entirety of my mouth is like cherry red, including my teeth.
Chrono looks a lot better with that skin now.
Oh, you can jump now as Pteranodon, I forgot.
Mm-hmm.
That's just you can.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Ground turn rate increase. Ground speed increase. There's nothing for air speed increase. That's gay. Alright, I increased my aqua affinity. Now let's see. Ooh, that's that's not much better actually. My aqua affinity is still shit. You still
should-
swim like shit, like a solid turd.
Like a solid turd.
It's like about as fucking aqua dynamic as you would expect